welcome back to my channel, and today we've got an unboxing. This is for the vegan kind, and this is the beauty box. This is £18 every 2 months, but I already got one this month because I think that was the February box, but this one is definitely the April box. I had to think that, yeah, it is the April box, this one. Right, so we are just going to get into it, and hopefully I've got £18 worth of goodies in here, because that is what I want to see. Hopefully there is. Right, okay, so we're just going to get into the box, and I'm just going to actually pause this video while I open this. Right, okay, so I've opened it. I know it might have only been a second or something, but I didn't want you to wait that long. Right, so this is the box. Oh, I should have opened it there. There is another opening on it as well. It's at the bottom. But, okay, so was something dropped out? No, it didn't. Right, so this is what I got. Oh wow, so we got a cotton candy. I already have one of these. I think it's by the same company. So let's just see if it is by the same company. I think it is. Yes, it is. It's the same one. So this is really good. It's like a gentle cream foam. I was reading my other one, but it's exactly the same one. So, well, it's not the same. This is cotton candy, and the one I got was fizzy berry. Yeah, so it is a cream foam. So let's just have a try of this. Oh, it smells like cotton candy as well. It smells really nice. So that's like your body lotion. You just put it on, and after you come out of the shower or bath, oh, it smells like it's really sweet smelling. That is a really nice scent. I do like that. So that's quite good up to now. Right, so this is a little information. I don't want to see that. See a little bit of information on about the box. Right, so the next item is a micellar water. So this looks like it's the superdrug micellar water. I think it is superdrug, I'm not sure. Bellapierre, I am sure that is superdrug, but I will check it out and I will let you know. I'm sure it is, but maybe I got it wrong, but I will check that. Probably won't have to because it'll be in the leaflet. Right, okay, and so we've got this next item. Oh, we've got an empty box. So this has actually dropped out. So this is the charcoal superfood mattifying face mask. Right, so that is in there somewhere. And what have we got here? We have got a lipstick by Medusa. I love Medusa products. So this is it. I wonder if it is my sort of colour. I'm hoping it is. I don't like a really bright colour for me. I like taupe, browns, reds. Ooh. Oh, it's Sugar Daddy. Wow, it is my type of colour. Right, so I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to take off this lipstick. I will try that one on. Right, so I took off the lipstick, so now we're just going to try this. This is the Sugar Daddy. I already told you, didn't I? I think I did. So this is it. Wow, good colour. Is that going to come? So there it is, colour swatched, but I'm trying to get it on. I am not very good at putting lipstick on. I must admit I'm terrible at it, but it doesn't seem to be coming on. I'm going to try it in my mirror. it's very light. I don't know whether I suit it or not, but you let me know in the comments. But that is it on. I don't know, I think I like it, so it's gonna get a thumbs up. I think I do like it. Right, so then the next item we have got is a bellapierre shimmer roll oil. Right, so we'll just try this. I think we've already had this in a beauty box before, but that is it. There we go. Just show you the lipstick, because that's really nice as well. So this is the roll on. Oh. Right, so is this going to go into your eyes? I'll just swatch it. There we go, you see it? I'm just going to try it on my eyelid. Probably not the best idea to do it there. But there we go. And probably is on there. Does it add a little shimmer? It just adds a little bit of something, doesn't it? Just gives it a bit of shimmer. Do this eyelid. I'm supposed to, I don't know if you're just supposed to do your eyes. Just trying to see what it's like. Right, so that is that. And it's got gorgeous shimmer there. You see it, it's really pretty. And I think this will be the last item. Right, shimmer a bit. This is definitely the charcoal superfood. But it's not going to show you whether it's black. How black it is. Let's just have a quick look at this. So it feels like it's quite dark, isn't it? It has no scent at all, so it's quite good if you have sensitive skin, because you don't like a lot of smelling face stuff on your face when you've got sensitive skin. So I will do a review on that. I will probably do a video on that. Alright, so I think that was the end of this month's box. So it says win £50 to spend online at the vegan shop, and all you're going to do is I don't know, but there we go. So that is that. Right, so now we're just going to go into this. This is the information, and I've got white foam all over it. So this is the cotton candy. This is £3.99. Then we got the lipstick. Now this will be expensive because it's Medusa. This is £12, so we're up to £15. Then we got this, which is £14.99. So there's the box realistically. So we're nearly up to £30. And then we got this. I will probably do a review on this as well, because that's quite good. So it'll probably be a video on this. This is £1.89 and it is superdrug. So there we go. And this is a cleanse and tones and refreshes, ideal for all skin types, the most sensitive ones. Oh, sorry if I had to cough. Right, so and then we got this. Now this is a £14.99 mask. This is for 30 mils, it's £14.89. So there we go, there's another £15. So that's like £45 we're up to. And I think that is everything. We've got everything. It does say 20% pence from each of the TVK beauty box sold will be donated to the Animal Free Research UK. So that's pretty good. Right, so okay, so if you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my